Namaskar everyone. I am Nakan Khandelwal of class 8th and today I will be giving you a quick glimpse on a topic popular renewable resources of Rajasthan and Assam. So let's start. First let us talk about Rajasthan. Rajasthan, also known as the incredible state of India, is famous for its beautiful forts, brave kings, cuisines, and the most popular Thar Desert. But it also has abundant renewable resources. The two most popular resources are solar energy and wind energy. So let's talk about these in detail. Solar energy. First, the sun produces an unbelievable amount of energy which we can use for cooking, that is solar cooker, electricity and for heating purposes by solar panels. Second, Rajasthan has 5000 megawatts potential installation capacity for solar energy. Third, Thar Desert is recognized as one of the most promising solar hotspots of the world due to its geographic and climatic advantage. Fourth, Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation Limited is the organization working towards promoting solar energy in Rajasthan, making the people eco-friendly. Fifth, India is preparing to make the world's largest solar plant near Sambar Lake to generate 4000 megawatts from sunlight. Here is a quote: think positive, think Rajasthan among world's best locations for solar energy. Now let us talk about wind energy. The kinetic energy of the wind is used to produce electricity by running wind turbines. Rajasthan is in top 5 states in terms of wind energy production. It is emerging as an important center for establishment of wind farms. Wind blows generally at 20 km per hour in the westernmost regions or desert regions of Rajasthan. Third, Rajasthan has 4,340 megawatts potential installation capacity for wind energy. Fourth, Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy Resources has identified Kodal in Barmer and Jaisalmer as new locations for wind turbine setups. So now, here are some images of solar energy and wind energy found in Rajasthan. So here are the two images of solar energy and here are two images of wind energy. So now let us talk about Assam. Assam, also known as the tea land of India, famous for its tea plantations, colorful festivals, and its scenic beauty, it also has plenty of renewable resources. The two most popular renewable resources are biomass energy and hydro energy. So let's talk about these in detail. Biomass energy. Biomass. Biomass simply means amount of plant and animal matter present on the earth. When it is decomposed, it forms biogas, which is used as fuel for cooking, for electricity, etc. Assam have 280 megawatts potential installation capacity for biomass energy. Biomass is found in large amounts near the Brahmaputra plain. Assam Energy Development Agency or AEDA is an organization that is making efforts to provide simplified biomass to the public for their household purposes by gasifying it. This is social and environment friendly process. Here's a quote: a better planet with renewable energy. Now let us talk about hydro energy. Hydro energy, also known as hydroelectric energy, is used for producing electricity by the kinetic energy of the flowing water in dams and reservoirs. Second, Assam has 200 megawatts of potential installation capacity for hydro energy. Third, Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited or NEEPCO is the organization that is making efforts for providing clean water and adequate amounts of electricity to the public. Now, here are some images of the biomass energy and hydro energy found in Assam. So, here are two images of hydro energy and two images of biomass energy.